It is a common fact that many smokers tend to gain weight after they quit smoking. This happens for several reasons. The first reason is increased appetite. Nicotine found in cigarettes can actually act as an appetite suppressant. So when smokers quit, their appetite increases, leading to a greater desire for food. The second reason is changes in taste and smell. Smoking can dull the senses of taste and smell. So when a person quits smoking, their senses gradually recover and they may find food more enjoyable, which can lead to increased food consumption. The third reason is substitution of oral fixation. Smoking often becomes a habit that involves hand-to-mouth motion. When smokers quit, they may substitute cigarettes with food, particularly snacks or candies, to satisfy this oral fixation. This can contribute to weight gain as well. The fourth reason is metabolic changes. Nicotine can slightly increase your metabolism, meaning it helps burn more calories. When smokers quit, their metabolic rate may decrease slightly, resulting in reduction in calorie expenditure. Finally, another reason for weight gain after smoking cessation is emotional and psychological factors. Smoking often serves as a coping mechanism for stress and negative emotions. When people quit smoking, they may experience increased stress or emotional distress, and some may turn to food for comfort, leading to weight gain. It is important to note that not all smokers gain weight after quitting, and the amount of weight gain varies among individuals. While weight can be a concern, the health benefits of quitting smoking far outweigh the potential risks of gaining a few pounds. Managing a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet, can help minimize weight gain while quitting smoking. If you would like assistance losing any unwanted weight and living a healthier lifestyle, we are here to help. Please reach out to us at healthymeweightloss.com.
Okay. When we set up, let's go plug that in.